Always check the Spirit website before you go because you might find a 20% off coupon. And you might be checking the website later on in the day after you left the store and then find a 20% off coupon that you could have used earlier in the day, and then you'll be kicking yourself for not checking earlier. Just saying. Just saying. Hey y'all, I'm Maya and welcome back to my channel. It is officially spooky season, y'all. Which, spooky season is literally the best time of the year. I am a spooky season girly through and through. Also, please don't mind whatever my hair is doing. I have naturally curly hair. I never really treated my curls right. I'm trying to get the curls back, and this is what we're working with for now. So, it is what it is. So your girl went to Spirit, and your girl bought some stuff. A lot of stuff. So let's get into it. So I'm actually super excited about this. Realistically, what's the use for it? I don't know, but I needed it. It is a bedazzled ghost face mask. Now, I wouldn't say that I'm like huge into the horror scene. My fiance is. I do love me some good horror movies though. But like, he has all these obscure horror movies that I've never even heard of. I love the classics. But Scream is my all-time favorite horror movie, and this is my favorite thing I think that I've ever seen. I actually went to a horror convention and I saw a bunch of girls with these and I'm like, where did those come from? Because I need those. In keeping with the trend of Scream and Ghostface, how unbelievably adorable is this blanket? It literally says Scary Movies and Chill on it. I'm more than a little obsessed. And it's genuinely so soft. Like, I'm always afraid that, like, buying blankets at a place like Spirit, they're not going to be soft. No, like, my dudes, this is the softest thing. I'm so excited. And I don't even know if it's going to exist in my living room or if it's staying in my office. Because I have my little comfy cozy recliner in here. So I might just pop this in the recliner and, like, have it be for me and not share it. So this might be the most random thing that I bought, but I think it's absolutely adorable. I love, like, the thought of, like, vintage looking Halloween decor. Like, they have this cute little crossbody vintage looking cat purse that I came this close to buying, but I didn't. But I found this. It's a little tie front t-shirt, and it's just the cutest little thing I've ever seen. It's a button up. I can't tell if the camera's picking that up, but it's a little button up with a little tie front. The one thing I will say is that the shirt is a little on the thin side. Like, you can definitely see through it. Definitely gonna have to, like, wear a tank top under it or something. But it's so cute. Okay, maybe gonna be hardcore judged for this one. Don't really care. It's a Beetlejuice tumbler. It says, I myself am strange and unusual, which is my favorite quote from Beetlejuice. Do I have more than enough tumblers? Yes. Do I need one with the Beetlejuice quote on it? My favorite Beetlejuice quote? Yes. And also, I found some super cute earrings at Spirit that, like, I love. I absolutely adore. Alright, and then pretty sure that the entire rest of my haul is all Scream related. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know why I went ham on all the Scream stuff this year, but I really did. Last year I got a lot of Beetlejuice stuff. For Silver Scream Con, which is a horror convention I went to, I bought a lot of Halloween, like the movie Halloween stuff. Spirit this year, so much Ghostface. So I got this Stab t-shirt, which is the movie within the movie. If you haven't seen Scream, A, what are you doing with your life? B, in Scream, there is a movie that's based on the events of the first Scream movie, and the movie is called Stab. So, hence the Stab. But if you haven't seen Scream and you're into anything Halloween-y, I highly, highly suggest that you see Scream. It's not like the most graphic horror movie. It's like, imagine combining your average teen flick and horror. Okay, so this next one, I knew that I really, really wanted this. And I looked online and said that no stores in the area had it. And I, like, accepted that I wasn't going to get it. And I'm like, oh, well, it is what it is. And then, note that I went to 3 Spirit locations, okay? I went to 3 different Spirits, and one of them had this. So it's the Spirit logo, but with ghost face instead of the normal Spirit guy. They had 1. Online said that no stores in the area had any, but the last store that we went to had 1. And it's not my size, but it's too big for me, so I'd rather get it bigger, and then I can like tie it up, or I could even crop it, worst case scenario. So I'm here for this. And then finally, keeping with the Scream tradition. So it's got like the flannel neckline, and like the Scream movie poster, the flannel on the bottom. It's long sleeves, it's so cute. And like, it actually feels like pretty decent quality, which I'm just always afraid of the quality at places like this. But it feels like it's actually like good quality. So I'm amped. I did buy some other stuff, but it was for my friends. It's not for me. I'm going on a trip soon, and I'm bringing them a bunch of stuff. So that is everything that I got from Spirit so far this year. I know that it's not a huge amount of stuff, but I did my shopping at Michael's and Joann's back when, you know, everything first started coming out in July. And your girl's on a budget now. And like, this was even a little bit out of budget. But a girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do. And a girl's gotta go and live her best life at Spirit. Because spooky season is the best time of the year. And nothing brings me more serotonin than buying Halloween stuff. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you got from Spirit this year that you're most excited about. I think I'm most excited about the blanket. Have you gone to Spirit yet this year? I mean, I didn't even go until beginning of October, which is wild to me. Make sure to subscribe for more spooky content, plus more fun surprises coming up. That surprise, I can't tell you yet. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.
I don't know, but I've been told the world outside is oh so cold. So cold.